Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a yacht. Why? For yacht. Let's start. We'll start with simple lines. Draw a sleepy line. Now a small curve. A bigger curve on the left side. Join with a slant line. Now three small circles towards the back. Now let's draw the top, slant line. A smaller slant line on the right. Join with a line. Another line below this one. And two more lines for windows. Now a curve from front to back. And we can draw some water in front and on back. This is your yacht. Looks good and goes fast. Now how do we draw the letter Y? It's two slant lines, a small one and a big one crossing it. This is the letter Y. Y for yacht. Excellent work. See you in the next one.